welcome. This is another Keto Bread shootout. I did one previously and here is my second one. Today we have Base Culture up against Carbonate. Base Culture has a 4 net carbs bread, while Carbonate is a 1 gram net carbs. Let's check them out. I put them in the toaster, toasted. I'm going to toast them up. I'm going to use the same setting as I did in my first video comparing 3 other keto breads. I wish somebody had done this when I first was looking for bread on a keto diet. I had always loved bread. That was probably my downfall. But here, let's toast them up, see what they look like. These probably, after toasting on 6, could have gone a little bit longer, maybe. You go too far with keto bread and they don't actually, they get a little cardboardy. Now, as you can see here, taking them out of the toaster, they toasted, okay. That little bit more might have been helpful. It's hard with the color of the Base Culture, but the butter seemed to go on as they're warm pretty good. They didn't come out too bad, I have to just say, from that aspect, when you really look at these two out of the toaster. So let's first talk about the first piece of toast I'm going to taste. The Base Culture original keto bread, it says. But on the side, it's 4 net carbs. It looks like this. So let's give it a taste and see what it's like. Not bad. Not bad. Let's try the second one. I got it from Whole Foods. It is only 1 gram of net carbs. So let's see how that tastes. It's a lot bigger than the Base Culture. That too is very good. They're surprisingly good. I gotta take another bite of this one. This one seems like it has seeds in it, but it's not really noticeable. It's a lot like white bread. This one may be in direct competition with what last time's video was the favorite. I think this Carbonate is really good at 1 net carb. This Natural Ovens keto-friendly bread, 1, as it looks a lot more like typical white bread than those two. But I would tell you that those two are very, very close. But this one is 0 net carbs. So it probably wins in my book that this one is more keto friendly than any of the others. But those two that I just tried, ooh, they're close. If there's a Whole Foods near you, I would definitely try this Carbonate, I think is how you say it. Gluten-free, 1 net carb. The Base Culture, I think I also got this from Whole Foods. The size of it, I would put it second to the Carbonate. If you can afford the Nature's Oven keto-friendly bread, I think you'd really like that. If you're not a big fan of a few seeds and nuts that they have in those. Thanks for watching.